If this is your first time on the channel, subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first one to know about the current market in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm Hilmer.
And I'm Christian with Castillo Realty. We help people just like you every single day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, please reach out to us. Our information is in the description box below. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Knoxville, Tennessee.
We are at another new construction today. Today we're in Farragut. Farragut is west of Knoxville, and we're gonna take you to a small tour after we finish this so you can see how this community looks like. I'm gonna start by showing you the first bedroom out of 4 and a bonus room. Let's check it out. You can tell it's an ample room with a walk-in closet. All of these bedrooms have walk-in closets. Very good size to put everything and anything. Off the office or this bedroom, you have a bathroom. And you have a door here that you can go through like a Jack and Jill. Now that you have seen the bathroom, let's go take a look at the rest of the house. You can tell we have very ample doorway. Behind Christian as the entrance, and we're going right into the living, dining, very open concept. Let's check out the kitchen. Quartz countertops. It is a step up from granite, but it also don't need to be sealed every so often, so very durable. I like it. One of my favorites though I want to show you is self-close cabinetry. So you don't have to worry about slamming the doors anymore. The next one up is 5 burners. So you have, you can cook and you can keep it warm very nicely. And I love this because if you're cooking maybe fish and you don't want the whole house to be smelly, you'll get your ventilation here. So we have also pantry that has enough space. Let's check out this here. Microwave and oven. So it looks like a double oven. In reality, you have your microwave on top and you have your oven underneath. So very nice touch in this model home. And here, farm sink, love it. White, what do you think about the white? I have a white sink in my house and I have to be cleaning it very often because it gets dirty really quick. But let me tell you, you tell me in the comments, what do you think about white farm sink? And the last thing we have here in this kitchen is I think I will use this as a coffee bar, definitely right beside the kitchen. Closet, just storage out here. And it could be a second pantry. It could be, like anything that you can think of. But here is also mudroom. 2-car garage with separate bays, which I do appreciate every single time. Behind this space, again, kitchen is right behind Christian. You have this nook here and you do have your laundry room here. Something new builds have here around the area in Knoxville is a smart box. And this is very handy for all of your internet, cable, everything can be hidden here. And it has outlets so you can plug in your things. Your dining area right in front of your kitchen. It could be formal or informal. You can have breakfast nook with some chairs as is a stage there. And then living area with a fireplace, and exactly you can hang your TV there. Right off the living area is your master bedroom. Let's check it out. Now this master bedroom faces the back of the house. So we were coming from the living area and it faces your backyard. Come see the master bathroom. 2 sinks, again, quartz countertops, your master shower, walk-in shower, but you also have your tub if you want to soak after a day of work, and a separate room for your toilet. And behind me, you have your master closet. We're leaving master bedroom behind us, and we're gonna go outside so you can see this nice outdoor space that you can let your imagination run. Okay, we have checked the whole downstairs of the home, and now we're gonna go upstairs. Now I wanted to remind you, if you are not subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications so you don't miss a beat in our channel. Let's go upstairs. We are upstairs and we have 2 more rooms to check out and a cool bonus room. Let's start in this one. And this one right now is decoration or where you can pick what your house is gonna look like. But of course it is a room and it has a good sized closet. Second bedroom upstairs, good size. Again, this one faces the front of the house, so you are going to see pretty much the street, but it also has a walk-in closet. Let's check out the bathroom upstairs and the bonus room. Now you will be thinking, Hilmar, you are showing me this home, a good sized home, okay, right? You have seen how much it's downstairs and you have seen part of the upstairs. So you might be asking yourself, how much is this home? Leave me in the comments how much you think it is, and I'm gonna tell you the answer at the end of this video. So keep coming with me. Check out this bathroom. We have again 2 sinks, toilet, and bathtub, and we have a small linen closet to your left. Bonus area. And before I leave you looking at the bonus area, I wanted to show you this door here goes your pretty much your storage. This concludes our video today. This home behind me is the one that we just toured, 2,900 square feet. And I know we've been talking about the price, and I ask you to comment below to guess the price. Well, this home is $750,000 and it is about 3,000 square feet. Let's check out the bathroom.